First up, we've got ring push-ups. Unlike regular push-ups, these will allow you to stretch deeper at the bottom, which results in a stronger contraction at the top. This will ultimately lead to better chest growth and activation. Lower yourself down slowly, keeping your core engaged, and press up explosively. The instability of the rings will make your chest, shoulders and triceps work harder than in a regular press-up. Next, we're hitting the back with ring pull-ups. Rings allow for a natural wrist rotation and movement, reducing strain on the joints while engaging more muscle fibers. Focus on pulling your chest to the rings, keeping your core tight and controlling the descent. If you want to make it harder, you can even hold at the top for an ultimate contraction of the back muscles. If you're looking for more bicep engagement, try out some ring chin-ups. The supinated grip, which means palms facing towards you, will put extra tension on your arms while still working the lats. Squeeze your biceps at the top and pause before lowering yourself down slowly, and avoid swinging. This move is great for building pulling strength and arm definition. To make the most out of your sets, aim for 8 to 12 reps per set. You can step it up with archer push-ups. These will help develop unilateral chest strength by shifting more weight to one side at a time. Lower yourself down while extending one arm out, then push back up. Make sure to alternate sides for even muscle growth and balance. This increases the difficulty and engages more muscle fibers. Go for 6 to 8 reps per side, and the lower the harder. We can also perform the opposite, which would be archer rows. This is going to target the back and it will build single arm pulling strength while engaging the core and stabilize the muscles. Pull with one arm while keeping the other arm straight, and switch sides. This will add a unilateral challenge that improves both strength and muscle balance. Again, aim for 6 to 8 reps per side, and bear in mind that the lower the rings are, the harder this will be, as this will force you to pull more of your body weight on the way up. One great aspect of rings is that you can do drop sets, which is a high volume method for maximum growth, such as ring rows. You can start on a low ring position and then perform as many reps as you possibly can. Once you hit failure and can't do any more, raise the rings higher to make the movement easier and keep going. This technique increases training volume, which means more sets and reps, and forces your back muscles to work through fatigue, leading to serious growth. Aim for 2 to 3 drop sets at a time for the maximum burn and muscle gains in your back and biceps, and add a twist at the top for a better contraction. Next up, we've got ring dips. This is one of the best exercises for overall upper body strength and muscle building. Lower yourself down with control and keep your elbows slightly flared for maximum chest engagement. Push up explosively and lock out at the top. Aim for 8 to 12 reps. And bear in mind that if you've never done this before, you're going to feel the instability of the rings and you might shake. Lastly, you can try out ring flies. These will give you an intense chest stretch and contraction. To finish it off, you can isolate your chest with this, as this movement mimics a cable fly, giving you an intense stretch and contraction. Keep the movement slow and controlled. Focus on stretching the pecs at the bottom and squeezing at the top. This is going to be one of the best exercises for chest definition and growth. Start with 8 to 10 reps.